Producers of wastewaters are now feeling the effects of recent environmental legislation, which have significantly raised the standards for effluent disposal. To assist in solving these problems, Microbac now offers the CTX bioreactor system for upgrading wastewater treatment systems to enable compliance with the increasingly high discharge standards being enforced. After a customer request to upgrade a simple and rather antiquated septic tank, Microbac engineers were able to design a bioreactor unit to cope with their current wastewater disposal requirements. The CTX bioreactor has several major benefits compared with traditional types of treatment system. Minimal civils are required prior to installation. In this case, 2 concrete plinths and a holding tank were constructed. Minimum disruption was experienced to everyday site activities during the CTX system installation. The CTX unit is a submerged, fixed-film bioreactor which represents state-of-the-art technology in the field of biological effluent treatment. The bioreactor has an air distribution system at the base of the vessel, and the main body of the unit is packed with a special PVC matrix. The injected air not only provides the plentiful source of oxygen required for the biological oxidation process, but also creates the optimum flow patterns within the cross-fluted matrix to ensure intimate contact between the effluent and the air, thereby achieving efficient oxygen transfer. As the biomass develops, it adheres and accumulates to available surfaces, forming a fixed film. The high surface area to volume ratio of the matrix enables a high concentration of bacteria to be maintained within a relatively small bioreactor volume. This allows the unit to be subjected to higher biological loading rates than those associated with conventional activated sludge plants or percolating filters. The CTX unit is delivered to site prefabricated, including all aeration and pumping equipment required to operate the system. This pre-packaged unit eliminates the need to construct a special building to house the ancillary equipment. No expensive alignment equipment is necessary for an installation, and the system can be positioned within an hour of delivery on site. Once located, it's a simple task to connect the equipment to the site electrical supply and plumb the unit together using plastic piping. This can be easily completed on the day of installation. The effluent from the septic tank is then diverted via the holding tank into the bioreactor. As the air is switched on, the classic flow pattern can be seen on the surface of the reactor. The final stage involves seeding the unit with the special adapted bacterial cultures used to break down the organics in the wastewater. These organisms allow colonization of the unit in much shorter timescales than are possible using municipal sewage biomass, which is commonly used for seeding treatment systems. These adapted organisms are particularly advantageous when starting up systems receiving complex chemical wastewaters. The bacterial products are easily rehydrated and added to the bioreactor unit. The delivery pumps housed under the clarification unit are then switched on to feed the effluent from the holding tank to the system. Once commissioned, the CTX system generally reaches 95% efficiency within days rather than months. To assist in the design of full-scale treatment units, Microbac offers a mobile bioreactor pilot plant for on-site trials, giving the customer the opportunity to assess a working CTX system at first hand, while Microbac collects the necessary data to design a CTX system with a high degree of confidence.